let's revise what did we say yesterday. Here now, if you have to identify the asymptotes, as I told you, if you want to know what is the vertical asymptotes, you have to find the excluded value. To find the excluded value, you have to find the zeros of the function. So here now, a concept summary for us that if you need to draw or to graph the rational functions, you have to know two things: the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes. To find the vertical, and the horizontal. So to find the vertical now, you have to see what is the zeros of the denominator, or in other words, look at a over x minus b. Look at b. This b will be the vertical asymptotes. Now to find the horizontal, the function, it could be like a over x minus b plus c. This c will be the horizontal asymptotes. So b will be the vertical and c will be the horizontal. If there is no c, it will be like 1 over x plus 4. So it's like 1 over x plus 4 plus 0. Yani that's mean the horizontal asymptotes at point 0. Oh, yeah, I mean like at y 0. And the vertical at x equal -4. So from the equation of the rational function, I can know what is the horizontal asymptotes, what is the vertical asymptotes, and from the value of k, I can know if it is in the first and third quadrant, if k is greater than 0, and in third, on second or fourth quadrant, if k is less than 0. Let's have another example here now. Here, if I give you now like 1 over x plus 2 minus 5, what is the horizontal asymptotes and what is the vertical asymptotes? Who can tell me? What's the vertical asymptotes will be?
-2.
-2. Good job. At x equal -2. Because to find the vertical, I have to look at the zeros of the denominator, which is at point -2. And to find the horizontal, I have to look at the number that is outside the rational function, which is -5. So that's mean where is the horizontal will be? At y equal?
-5.
-5. Good job.
Miss, this is the answer of number 12, or this is
No.
example?
This is from example. This example.
Okay.
If you have it now like this, if you have it here as positive, or let's take another numbers, such as 1 over x minus 4 plus 9. What is the vertical asymptotes? At x equals?
-4. I mean +4.
4. Bravo. Because you have to take the 0 of it. So x will be 4. And what is the horizontal? At y equals?
The horizontal 9.
9 or -9? Positive. Positive. Thank you. At y equals 9. So from this function now, I can know what is the vertical, I can know what is the horizontal, and I can draw now, or I can graph the function. Now, in problem 12 here, now, identify the vertical and horizontal asymptotes for each graph. Number 12. Who can tell me where's the vertical asymptotes? The vertical, this is the vertical, and this is the horizontal. So what is the vertical here?
2.
At point 2. So the vertical asymptotes, since it intersect the x-axis, so I will say x equals 2. So vertical, this is the vertical. So now the vertical, when I draw it, it will intersect the x-axis. So that's why I will say x equals something. Now where's the horizontal asymptotes?
Teacher, it is at 0.
At 0. Good job. At y equals 0. Now why I say at y? Because the horizontal asymptote intersect the y-axis. So I will say y equals something. Now number 13. In number 13, what is the vertical asymptotes?
1.
Good job. At x equal 1. And the horizontal?
-1. The horizontal, miss, is yes, -1.
Thank you. At y equals -1. Now, number 14.
Miss, what was number 13?
-1 at 1 at vertical, -1 the horizontal.
Teacher, what was the horizontal for number 12?
Stop. Wait a minute, please. I will come back. This is the answer.
Okay, just one minute, teacher.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, welcome. Now, number 14. In number 14, we have to see where's the vertical and where's the horizontal.
The vertical, miss, is at 0.
Vertical is at 0. And horizontal
At 0.
Bravo. Horizontal at...
I will repeat now. How do you know it? The vertical that's cut or that intersect the x-axis. Where's the line that intersects the x-axis?
At 0.
X equals 0.
0.
And the horizontal that cut the y-axis. Where's the line that cut the y-axis? This
4.
line. 0, 1, 2.
Yeah, 2.
So at
Two,
y equal 2.
Yes, miss.
Yes, okay. Now, in this problem here, we have to find the asymptotes of the graph, the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes, and also to graph the function. Now, from the equation, so we have it as 3 over x minus 1 minus 2. So from here, what did you notice? Look at here, find the zeros of the function. X minus 1 equals 0. So x is 1. So what does it mean? X equal 1 will be the vertical or the horizontal asymptotes?
The vertical.
The vertical. Good job. So
The
at
vertical.
point 1, I have the vertical asymptotes. Now, then, look here. Remember, we said that it have to be 1 over x minus a plus b. This b will be the horizontal asymptotes. So what is the horizontal asymptotes from the equation here?
-2.
At point -2. Good job. So here now we have the vertical asymptotes. I have the vertical, I have the horizontal. Now look at the k, which is this is k. Is it positive or negative?
It's positive.
Positive. So my curve must be on this quadrant or on this quadrant.
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, you can plot the points, or you can say this will be like this. Draw two curves that didn't intersect our vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and in first and third quadrant, because from the equation I can know that it could be on the first and third quadrant, and what the equation, the asymptotes, horizontal or vertical, will be. Is it clear? So you can find all the informations you need from the equation. You can find in which quadrants I am, and you have to find the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes.
Okay, Miss.
Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's have another example now. For this one here you have, sorry. -1 over x plus 3 minus 4. So here you have to graph -1 over x plus 3 minus 4. I will repeat. Now, here, the first step, you have to, from the equation, you have to find the vertical asymptotes. You have to find the vertical asymptotes. The horizontal. And to find in which quadrant shall I draw my curve. Now from here, from the equation, look at the vertical asymptotes. Where's the vertical asymptotes? At x equal what?
-3.
-3.
Good job. Here, you have to find the 0 of it. So at x equal -3. This is the vertical asymptotes. Now, where is the horizontal asymptotes? At what?
-4.
At y equals -4. Good job. And look at k. K is negative. So at which quadrant am I?
Quadrant 2, quadrant 4.
Good job. Quadrant 2,
2 and
quadrant 4.
4.
Remember, if it is k is greater than 0, so I am in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. If k is less than 0, I am in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Teacher, wait, don't erase it.
Okay, miss.
Miss, we will not graph the function.
Yalla, wait, miss. Just a second. So after I have these informations now, I'm sorry.
I finished, teacher.
Yes.
So then, now let's have the points here as 1, 2.
Teacher, sorry, I left. My laptop died. Shut down.
Okay, Jude. So this is 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Then at x is -3, this is my vertical asymptotes. And at y is -4, this is my horizontal asymptotes. Then where I am in quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. We found that I am in quadrant 2 and 4. So I'm here and here. So these our curves will be.
Miss, can you wait a minute?
Yeah, okay.
I finished, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, now let's do this example here. This is number 22 in your book. Now, number 22, f of x is -1 over x minus 3 minus 5. Now from here, what is the vertical asymptotes? Who can tell me? Yeah, let's ask, wait, let's ask Ranim. Yes, Ranim, what is the vertical asymptotes will be?
What, miss?
The vertical asymptotes. At x equal?
One second, miss. I will. Okay. X equal 3.
At x equal 3. Good job. Now, what is the horizontal asymptotes? Thank you, Ranim. Now, let's ask Jude. Yes, sir. What is the horizontal asymptotes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jude. What is the horizontal asymptotes here? At y equal?
Teacher, I can't hear you.
The horizontal asymptotes at y equal what? Look at here. Let's remember, the function will be 1 over x plus b plus c. Okay, so plus c will be the horizontal asymptotes, but here you have -5. So what is the horizontal will be at point what? 5 or negative 5? Yes, Jude. At point negative 5. This will be the horizontal asymptotes. Now, from K, where should I draw my curves? At which quadrants? Who can tell me now? Yes, miss.
At quadrant S.
2 and 4.
At 2.
2,
Oh, yes.
quadrant 2 and 4. Since K is less than 0, K less than 0, so I am in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. After I analyze now what I have, I will draw my curves. So,
Miss, the vertical asymptote, I will draw it in the x-axis.
the vertical,
Yes.
yes, it must intersect the x-axis.
Okay, Miss. So here, teacher, x equals 3. So how, teacher, it will intersect the x-axis and it is in the quadrant 1?
So let's see. First step, let's draw. What did we have? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, 1, negative 1, sorry, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, for the vertical asymptotes at point 3. The horizontal asymptotes at y is negative 5. Now, I'm in quadrant 2 and what? And 4. So, let's draw it. I need to make some changes here. So this is here, the asymptotes. Now, I'm in quadrant 2 and 4. So this is the curve will be. This is in quadrant 2 and 4. It didn't intersect x3 and y negative 5. Is it clear?
Miss, here it is not in the also quadrant 2, or it is, Miss. Okay, now, yes. Yes, Miss, yes.
Okay. Now, do you have any question for this lesson?
No, Miss.
No, teacher.
Now, I want you, please. Here, I will send you a link. Okay, this is a quiz.